Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Then they can I will share a video. Remember rave subscribe it. Now I share. Now I like it. No me a notification bell no. Say the video be a bit 2 hours Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. No is just a Bofrot or puff. Me yes, puff when I'm tasty, It tastes really nice. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Yes, that's it. What the 1.5 cup milk, but milk there say a kakra. What the 1 tablespoon dry is akaho. 1 teaspoon sugar. Now I'm mixing it now together. We are not kataso. We be boa ama is now activity. What do you see, Chen? What the 2.5 cup all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 mixing it together. What do you see, Chen? What here is mixture no? What the 2 eggs, egumu. Half teaspoon vanilla, 1 mixing it together. Oh, we are now the dry mixture near the egumu. No one mixing it together. Mix it, they say too much liquid. We are not kataso. We dey stew for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we watch your medium hot oil. Now we now with me if I was some ma wait me isu ice cream spoon here there atete na dey atomo. Oh, I know that said the enche. Then in na be pay. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. And I am ready. Now we yet and when now I serve it. It's when I was a cocoa bed to me that can I enjoy. Now this our Bofrot recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.